Morning. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope that you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our fourth lecture for English playgroup. So students, open your workbook with me and firstly move towards planner. As we are going to start our week 4, so we have to put the dates here and write the days here in these blanks. Now moving toward our today's topic. Our today's topic is recognize color and write letter D. We have to recognize color and write letter D. Firstly, we will recognize letter D. Where is the letter D? This is the letter D. And what is the sound of D? The sound of the D is D. And now we have to color the object relevant to letter D. So here you can see a dolphin and it is colorless, so we have to color it blue. And now our last segment is write. So we will move toward our writing pattern. And how we are going to write D? Firstly, we will draw a straight line and then we will draw a full curve to make it D. As we learned in our previous lecture that how we will write D, we will write D on first 3 lines. Firstly, we will draw a straight line and then we will draw a full curve to make it D. So it will become letter D. Now we will make a practice of letter D on smart board. Firstly, we will draw a straight line like this and then we will join it by making a curve and like this. It will become D. Once again, draw a straight line and then make a curve, write D. It will become D. Likewise, this you have to complete all the remaining work on page number 27. And now moving toward page number 28, here is the revision of letters C and D. And the topic is capital letters C and D, recognize and write. You have to recognize letter C and then write letter C, and you have to recognize letter D and then you have to write letter D on these dots. This is your home task. You have to do it with the help of your parents. Now, dear kids, can you help me to color the objects which begin with D? So, which objects begin with D? Duck, dolphin, duck, duck. We have to color dolphin and duck. We will color dolphin blue and we will color the beak of the duck only. And what is the color of the beak of the duck? The color of the beak is orange. We have to color only orange color in its beak. Now, next page is again your home task and it is the revision of letter A, B, C and D. You have to complete this page and here is the question. Circle the correct beginning sound and color the pictures. We have to identify the pictures and then its relevant letter and we have to color the relevant pictures. For example, the first picture is of computer. So what is the beginning sound of computer? The beginning sound of computer is K. C, K, computer. We have to circle C. We will circle C. And then we will color the computer gray. Now the second picture is of book. So what is the beginning sound of the book? The beginning sound of the book is B. B, B, book. You can color. You can use any color, for example, yellow, pink, or any color of your own choice. So we will circle B here. B, B, book. Now on the next page, the question is make the pictures to their correct beginning sounds. Also trace the letters. Firstly, we have to trace the letters A, B, C and D. And then here are some pictures. For example, the first picture is of a dolphin. The second picture is of a cat. The third picture is of an alligator. And the fourth picture is of banana. A, alligator. We have to draw a line from A to alligator. Then B, banana. We have to draw a line from B to banana. C, cat. We have to draw a line from C to cat. D, dolphin. We have to draw a line from D to dolphin. Now, here is an activity. Help the D duckling reach the mother D duck following the letter D path. Now, here is a duckling and it has to move to mother. So we will make a path for it. For example, here are the dots of D. We have to join the dots of D together to make a path. We will join a line from here to here, and then here, and then here, and then likewise this. We have to complete all the work and make a path for duckling to go to its mother. Now, the last topic is recognize letter E. Firstly, we will move towards story time, and the title of the story is Taking Care of Friends. Ehsan and Bilal were good friends. One day they went to zoo. Bilal sat on an elephant there. He fell down and hurt himself. He was unable to come to school for 11 days. Ehsan wrote a letter to Bilal and asked him to drink milk and eat eggs. He put the letter in the envelope and sent it to Bilal. Two friends थे, एक का नाम था एहसान और एक का नाम था बिलाल। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये एहसान है और ये बिलाल है। एक दिन वो दोनों जू में गए और बिलाल जो था वो एलिफेंट के ऊपर बैठ गया। इतने में एलिफेंट के ऊपर से बिलाल गिरा और उसे लग गई। अब वो 11 दिन तक स्कूल नहीं आ सकता था, तो एहसान ने एक खत लिखा जिसमें उसने बिलाल की हैरियत पूछी और उससे दूध पीने और अंडे खाने का कहा। उसने फिर ये लेटर एनवेलप में डाला और बिलाल की तरफ भेज दिया। नाउ वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज द बिगनिंग साउंड ऑफ लेटर ई। सो द बिगनिंग साउंड ऑफ लेटर ई इज ए। ई ए एहसान, ई ए elephant, E A 11, E A eggs, E A envelope. Now here is a small activity. Count the envelopes and write 1, 2, 3. One thing to remember that whenever you are going to count the objects, just put the tip of your pencil or use your fingers to count the objects easily. Likewise this 1, 2, 3. So we have to trace 3 here, and now we will recognize, trace and write. We have recognized E with its phonic and its visual. Now we will move towards its tracing and writing. So how we are going to write E? Firstly, we will draw a straight line and then we will draw 3 small lines to make E. It will become E. Now we will write E on these 3 lines. Firstly, we will draw a straight line and then we will draw 3 lines to make E. Once again, make a straight line and then 3 small lines to make E. Once again, draw a straight line and then make 3 small lines like this. So it will become E. Now we will move towards our reader. So students, open your reading book with me, and today's topic is D. D the dolphin. D the dog. D the dolphin. D the dog. And on the next page, once again, D the doll. D the duck. D the doll. D the duck. And we will move towards letter E. So what is the sound of E? The sound of E is E. E a elephant. E a envelope. Once again, E a elephant. E a envelope. And on the other page, E a egg. E a 11. E a egg. E a 11. We can also identify a picture E a engine here. So students, it was all about today's working. Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanillah.